Hi guys, it's Marianne, the Frugal Chef. Hey, if you haven't subbed, why don't you sub right now before you forget so that you don't miss out on any of the new stuff that's coming. Let's make some firecracker pops today. These are excellent. They're, you can control the sugar in them, so they're healthier than the stuff you buy in the store. We're gonna do all fruit and yogurt. This is good stuff. Let's make it. First thing we need to do is macerate our berries so that they're nice and intense for our pops. I have a pint of blueberries here which I washed. I'm going to add a tablespoon and a half of honey to this. And we're going to add a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. We're going to let these sit for 20-25 minutes and then we'll come back to them. I'm going to do the same with my strawberries. This is it is a pint also, about 2 cups of sliced strawberries. And we're going to let this sit for 20 minutes as well. Alright, now we're going to work on our yogurt part for our popsicles. I have 1.5 cups of full-fat Greek yogurt in here with 4 tablespoons of honey, which I'm going to whisk. So, go ahead and taste the sweetness, and if you like it, that's good. If you want it sweeter, add more honey, okay? I think this is great. Okay, now we're going to start filling up our molds. If you don't have ice cream molds like this, you can use Dixie cups. That's fine. So I'm going to put some strawberry juice into the bottom of these. Now I'm going to add some of the yogurt in here. We're going to swirl this so we don't have to wait until it gets hard. And now I'm going to add some blueberry. I ran out at 7.5 pops. I'm going to go ahead and just top them off with strawberry. I'll have 2 that are just strawberry. And we'll have, 8 that are both strawberry and blueberry. I'm just going to go ahead and top off, all of these with a little bit more of the strawberry so I don't have leftover. Okay, now I'm going to grab a knife and I'm just going to put it in there and swirl a little bit. Look at these, they're beautiful, aren't they? I'm going to serve them in a bowl like this with ice so that they don't melt immediately. I'm going to go ahead and have a bite of this. I will have this recipe on the website waiting for you guys to come and print it. Eat well without going broke, my friends. I'm going to see you soon. Wow. That strawberry, combined with that little bit of yogurt, absolutely decadent. It's so pure, you know? Lovely, lovely. See you soon.